Hey guys, welcome to today's video tutorial. So today we are going to design a back to school poster, right? Like the normal back to school poster we all know. So we are going to design it today. So for us to start, let's quickly click on this plus icon here as usual. Click on it. Then select the custom size, which is at this place. Then on the width, we are going to put 930 over 1200. Let me make it 1300. Then create a new design. So now that it's done loading, let's click go to element and search for background. Search for background. Then we now have to go to click on graphics. Click in all on graphics. Click on it, then scroll down. Okay, I think we'll use something of this nature. But we're going to change the color. Let's see if we can be able to adjust the color here. Oh no, we can't. So let's get something else. Okay, so I think we'll find what you're looking for. I found the one, something of this nature. We'll just bring it down, then rotate it this way. Then click on these three dots, click on it, then come to set, click on this place, set image as background. We want to set it as a background. Here is it. Click on it. Then we'll set the image as a background. Then next we are going to import the image you already have in place. We click on gallery, but I don't have it on my gallery already. I already uploaded it before, so just quickly go to your upload to gallery right, and get the image. For me, I want to get something like this lady, right? So here is the lady. Now there is something I also want to show you guys. I know that majority of time I've shown you how you can remove a background, but sometimes if you don't want to really remove a background, here is a trick you can play. Come to go to Magic Studio. Go to Magic Studio, then click on Magic Grab, right? Click on Magic Grab and see we are going to drag this image. So watch the second video and see how we are able to bring this lady out of the background without using a background remover. Second video, no, we are actually trying to remove the lady from the background using a Magic Grab. So all we need to do is to click on this tab. We have tab and we have brush. If you're using brush, it means that you have to brush it all over the place, the image, the particular area you want it to be. But if you're using tab, all you need to do is to tap on the image itself. Like this now, I have tapped on the lady. Tap in all that I want it to come to follow. All at all. Now, once I'm done doing that, I click on grab. Then just give it some time for it to load, and you'll see that the image will be removed from the background. So this is it. All right, it's done loading, it's done removing. You can see that it has separated her from the image, right? Now we are going to click on this particular image and do what? Delete it. We don't need it anymore. So now increase the lady by dragging it and bring her around this region. Okay. Next we are going to add. Next we'll be adding a background below it. So let's go back to our element again and search for oval shape. For shape, just search for shape. Yeah, so we are searching for shape. We'll get this shape. This is the one we are gonna use. Go back, then bring it down here. Increase the size very well, then bring it around here. Then go to position. Go to your position and send backward. Right? Still drag it a little. Then next we are going to change the color. Click on the color and let's just use this color for example. Shouted red, right? Now we go back. I think I don't like this background very well, so let's change the background. We click on delete, then go back to element and search for it again. Okay, I see the one I already used before, so I'm going to select this background, which is one we selected before. Still do the same thing, set image as a background, and you see that it has set it as background. Now click on this shape again and say increase it, and make sure that it's filling this space, right? Next, just click on the text and write school. Go back, then bring it somewhere here. And on the next video, guys, this is where I'll stop. On the next video, I'll be showing you on this third one. I will write written school. So let's change the color. Change the color to purple. Just leave it at purple at the meantime, then reduce it and bring it somewhere here. Then copy it, click on this card again to copy it, bring it down here and write admission. Click on edit, then write admission. Click on it again, then reduce it a little and bring it very close. And guys, remember, whenever you're designing and for some reason your design didn't go as well, in life we have what is called pencil and eraser. You can always undo whatever thing you have done, right? So Canva have it right here. This icon you're seeing here, this is the undo button. Let me show it. This is the undo button. Like if you've done something and you feel like, I know I didn't do this right, use this undo button to do it. But if you want to redo it again, you click on this one facing this other way, right? So this is it. Now we've written this, let's change the color of our dimension to white. No, instead of white, let's just use red. This very shouty red. Then click on it and click on fonts. Let's change the font. We don't want to use Canva Sans. Let's use Archivo Black. Then click on this school as well. Bring it right here. Click on this school, then reduce it. So here we are, guys, but I don't know, I'm not just liking this background again. Like, I don't just like the background. I don't know what is wrong, but it's not giving me the vibe that I'm looking at for. So let's click on element again. Now we have magic recommendation. I think I'll use something like this. All right, so click on this three dot again. These are the three dots. Let's say you should click on it, then scroll down, then click on replace background. Here is replace background. I think something of this nature feels better for me, right? So click on school again. Let's change the color. This time around we may be using a color picker, just selecting from the solid color, right? Yeah, something of this nature. Then we'll go back and we'll add all right, I'll see to the fourth video. So on this video, I was able to add this is a badge, so I'll show you how I did it. This is a badge. You just come here and search for badge, and it's one of the first thing that will appear here. So once you put it, then we are going to put a number in it. Click on the text and write 30% off, 30%, up to 30% off. Then you come down, return it back, then click on the text again. I try to bring it this way. Let it be 3 in 1. Okay, so reduce it very well. Then come back here, increase this guy a little, then bring the text inside. Then go to color and change the color from black to white. Then the next thing we are going to add, we are going to adjust this, arrange this properly so it won't occupy the whole space. So it is well arranged. Then click on text again and input something like this. Your keys. Oh, sorry. Let me just type it and show you. So here is it. Here is the text. Your kids deserve the best education. You bring it somewhere here. Then you duplicate it. Bring something here and type again. Here you keep typing and keep duplicating up to 3 tests, stuff like that. So now that we are done typing the text, we are going to change the text font from this Canva sans to something smaller. Let's use poppins. Go inside into popping, then choose lights. Okay, let's select regular. You do the same thing to the second one. Regular, regular, then we are good, right? So you bring it somewhere here. Adjust it away from the corner. And make sure they are very well aligned. Then next you go to element and search for tick. So just come somewhere, just select any of these, bring it down and reduce it very well. Bring it down and reduce it very well, and start placing them in between this place. Make sure your text are well aligned and arrange it properly. So you bring the tick and reduce it very well and start arranging it here. Once your texts are very well arranged, right? Make sure you put them in order, okay? So come back to elements here and search for stocks of books, right? Once you select, you see it, you select one. Just search for it and put it somewhere here. All right. So in this one, I didn't show you guys. So here, all you have to do is just to search register. Register now on element and you get it. But I see that this lady, I really want to change it. She's not giving the vibe that I need for this. So I'm going to change her and put another model. So here is another lady we have to bring in here. Just the same way we did that lady is what we did here. I'll just have to change her and bring in this other lady. So guys, this is how I was able to come up with something like this. I hope you can do it and replicate it and send it to the group. Okay, thank you so much and remain blessed.